Hello, my name is Ike, and I'm making a recording to help you sort out your keyboard issues. Have you ever had the problem with symbols on your keyboard? A lot of people have had this problem where you type in the Alt key or any other symbol and it types the ditto mark or something else for you. In order to get the Alt key or Alt sign, I have to go and type the ditto mark, which is such an inconvenience. I tried a lot of methods I found online. Either they worked temporarily or they didn't. Then I found this simple method. I tried it 3 weeks before this video and I have not had any problem with my keyboard since then. All you have to do is you go to your start menu, you right click on it, you go to device manager, you left click on it, and a window will pop up and you go to keyboards. You left click on keyboard. You have to tap it 2 times. Then right click on the standard PS2 keyboard. You're going to see the update driver, uninstall device. You click on the uninstall device. When you uninstall, your computer will restart and automatically install the keyboard, and the problem will be solved permanently. I can't really do that right now, or you won't be able to see this recording, but it worked for me. If this works for you, subscribe and like this video. I will be coming up with simple solutions to complex problems as I discover them. Have a good day. Thank you.